Hello friends and welcome back to my channel JS Lab. In today's video we will see the third data type in Python, which is sets. So other data types are list, tuple, set and dictionary. So list and tuple, I have created videos. I will provide the link in the comment section. If you are interested, you can watch. Dictionary is the next data type that we will discuss in the coming video. We have seen list, it is ordered, it is mutable, and you can call by index. Tuple, it is ordered but unchangeable. You cannot change that one, but it is indexed. Set is unordered, unchangeable, and in set, duplication is not allowed. So we will see sets in detail. So how to create a set? Set can be, for example, set 1 equals, okay, we can use the curly bracket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this is how you can create a set. We'll print set 1. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 inside curly bracket. Okay, so dictionary, for dictionary also this curly bracket will be used, but there is a difference. Dictionary is having a key value pair. Here there is only one value. Check the type of the set. It is set. Okay, data type is set. Set 2 equal to 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Okay, we put duplicate values. We'll print set 2. So it will take only one value, 1, 2, 3, 4. Duplication is not allowed in set. So we can mix the type of elements also. That means you can put the elements like integers. Integers you can put. Then I put some string. Oh, so some dot has come. Okay, I'll modify that one. Okay, so we'll print S3, set 3. So everything will come. Set is unordered, therefore you cannot call by calling its index. So here, see, it will give the output as an error. It means, so you cannot call the elements in a set using the index because it is unordered. So using the len function, you can find the length of the, what is the length of set 3? Set 3, so 5. So there are 5 elements in the set. Now inside the list set, okay, for set 4, okay, set 4, you can create 1, 2, 3. I can add a tuple also, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you print set 4, it will show 1, 2, 3, 4 here and 1, 2, 3. It considers 1, 2, 3, 4 as a single item tuple, okay, and 1, 2, 3 as other elements. Length of set 4, 4. Okay, so there are, this is one item, second item, third item, and fourth item. But you cannot add a list inside a set. Okay, so set 5 equal to 1, 2, 3 and a list 1, 2, 3. It will give the error because list itself is mutable. So you cannot add this one to the set because set is, the elements in a set are immutable. The items inside the list are immutable. So but this one, this list is mutable. Okay, that's why tuple it accepts, but list it will not accept. Now, but set itself as is changeable. Okay, the elements in the set is not changeable, but set itself is changeable. Okay, so that means if you want, we'll create a set 6. Set 6 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so elements of the, will print the elements, print set 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can add the element set 6 dot add 5. Okay, so if you print the set 6, you can see the 5 is added to that one. You can remove an element from the set 6. You can remove an element from the set 6 dot remove 2. That is also okay. Set 6, if you print the set 6, that 2 will be removed. If you want to update more elements at a time, okay, you can use update function. Okay, set 6 dot update 7, 8, 9. So that also inside bracket. Sorry, one bracket has not been done. Okay. Now if you print set 6, you can see that 7, 8, 9 has been added. Okay. Then we can create set using the set function itself. Okay. So set 7 equal to, you can create like the set. So inside that one element should be inside the round bracket. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Set 7. We can print the set 7. 1, 2, 3, 4 has been created. If you want to create an empty set, you cannot use, if I use set 8 equal to, okay, this is wrong, okay, because this will create an empty dictionary. If you type set 8, see, it will be a dictionary. Okay, so if you want to create an empty set 8 equal to empty set means you should like this, no element should be added, set 8. Okay, so if you type of set 8, it is a set. This is how you can create an empty set. One more example, set 9 equal to set of hello world. So we will print the, print set 9. So see, the hello world repetition not allowed and it will be unordered. So the elements in hello world, only unique elements will be present and also in unordered shape. Okay. Using a for loop, you can for I in set 9 print I. So all the elements can be printed out, but it will not be in an ordered way. Okay, so using for loop, you can iterate and print the elements in a set. We'll take one more example. So set 10 equal to, will create set A, small letter A, capital letter B, small letter B. If you print set 10, so capital letter and small letter are considered as different items. Capital letter A and small b are considered as different. We can conduct a membership test in set. For example, we'll see whether B in set 10. Yeah, it's true because the element B is present. What if I put C in set 10? It considers false. So this is how we can do the membership test in set. Now we will see how to conduct different Python set operations. So set can be used to carry out mathematical set operations like union, intersection, difference, symmetric difference, etc. So we'll see that one in detail now. For that, I create 6. Okay, one set, another set B, which is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Created two sets A and set B. First, we will see the union operator. So A dot union B. So it will print A union B. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9. So all the elements present in A and B will be printed out without duplication. Okay. Same thing can be done using OR operator. Okay. A or B. Same result will come. Okay. Next we will do the intersection operator. A dot intersection of B. So this will print out all the common elements in A and B. So 4, 5, 6 is the common element. The same thing can be done using AND operator, A and B. Same result will come. Then the difference. You can do the difference. A dot difference B. So 1, 2, 3. So the sets which are in A but not in B. The elements which are in A but not in B. So 1, 2, 3 is in A but not in B. So same thing can be done using A minus B. Same result will come. Okay. So we want the reverse one. B minus A. elements in B but not in A, 789. So you can see here 789 is in B but not in A. Next we can do the symmetric difference. A dot symmetric underscore difference B. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. So symmetric difference means elements in A and elements in B but not in both A and B. Okay. So 1, 2, 3 and 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3 is in A but not in B. 7, 8, 9 is in B, not in A. So there is no, the common elements will be avoided. Okay. So it is the complement of A intersection B that you can do using A dot symmetric difference. The same can be done using this operator. Sorry, it should be B. Okay, A symmetric difference B. 10, we'll print the set 10. So if print set dot clear, so if you have cleared all the elements, so it is an empty set. Now it becomes an empty set. So using clear method, you can dot clear method, you can remove all the elements from the set. So this is all about the sets in Python. So now we have seen how to create a set, how to add elements in the set, how to remove an element from the set, how to do various mathematical set operations in the Python set, how to do the membership test in set. So all these things we have explained with example. So if you have any comments or suggestions, please write in the comment section. And if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. Bye. Thank you.